So welcome back everyone, another PPFing video finally. We've been so busy working on this spectacular looking Merlin purple Audi RS6 and we only had a week and 1 day to get the whole full wrap done plus various Xpel coatings. This will give it the protection against the chips, the scratches, and of course it has the self-healing element, meaning should the owner pick up any swirl marks from washing it or whatnot, over time he can heat the film up using various ways, the sun, hairdryer, hot water, anything like that, and the film will heal out all of the scratches and return to the perfect finish. He also had the wheels repainted fully gloss black. We then stage 1 machine polished them and applied Xpel Fusion wheel and caliper to them to give them the protection. We also fitted a body kit from the guys over at Maxton Designs, which this kit looked mega. And it was actually our first time fitting a kit like this, so it was exciting to do and good to get the experience on it. Of course the owner helped us out as well, credit where credit is due. Now I'll be posting part 2 with all the after shots and how the paintwork looked in more detail in about a week or so's time. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it and leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.